Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm gonna do a quick little cook on this small fire pit grill I did. It's just gonna be some easy chicken tacos. I got some chicken thighs. There's a little bit of chicken breast mixed in here, but it's mostly thighs. Really just what I had on top in the freezer right there. But I marinated it for 24 hours in a Kinder's taco seasoning marinade mix. You can get it at Walmart. I didn't show the package because sometimes I get a copyright warning when I show the package of what it is, and I hadn't figured out why they're doing that. But so I just didn't want to take any chances. But it's a black and orange pack, Kinder's. It's a real good marinade too. I liked it. That Kinder's brand has got a whole section there now. I'm gonna try a lot of that stuff. The little grill's doing great though. It's kind of convenient with the rack not taking up the whole space of the top right there, because you can still reach a poker or whatever in there and shuffle your coals around. You can still add coals to it pretty easy if you need to. It's just about all done now. But yeah, like I say, it's a real simple taco. Just marinated chicken. You need to marinate that chicken. Most marinades say do it for at least an hour, but I'd say do at least half a day, a whole day or something. It don't seem like that marinade really gets in much when you only go an hour. I had that rack seasoned up pretty good. I got all the meal scale off before I used it and just oiled it up and put it in the oven for a while and let it season. Some little white corn tortillas. And then really just chop up with pico de gallo. The pico de gallo is just onions, tomatoes, and jalapeno, salt and pepper. I like to chop it up small on these small tortillas. If you're using the bigger ones, you don't have to get it so small. The little grill did great though. You can see that dog back there waiting. And just to get it all put together, like I say, it's just chicken, the pico de gallo, and lime juice. And that makes a good taco. You could put a little sauce on there. I didn't want to make any. I just wanted to go straight with chicken. I really wanted to see how much flavor that marinade had in it. That sauce would kind of kill it then. But they turned out really good. Really satisfied with the little grill. And that's pretty much it on these, just the chicken. Like I said, it was marinated for 24 hours in a Kinder's marinade and pico de gallo and some lime juice. That's really all you need. That's good eating. Put some more of this pico de gallo on there. If you make some tacos like this, if you make pico de gallo, I would highly suggest to make it several hours before and let it just sit to let all those flavors marinate together with salt and pepper. Because if you make it 20 minutes before, the flavor is a little bit different. But anyway, I'm gonna eat 4 or 5 of these tacos. And that'll pretty much do it for this video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.